Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts for business using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need standard baking items like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. For equipment, a stand mixer, a deep fryer, and a cooling rack are crucial. We'll focus on a simple yeast donut recipe, perfect for scaling up. This approach minimizes complexity, allowing you to quickly master the process and start selling delicious donuts. Now let's get into the dough preparation. Combine your dry ingredients, then add wet components like warm milk and eggs. Mix until a soft, pliable dough forms, then knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. After kneading, let the dough rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour, or until it has doubled in volume. Once risen, gently roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness and cut your donut shapes before frying them to a golden brown. With your donuts fried, it's time for the fun part, glazing and decorating. A classic glaze is easy to make with powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring an even coating, then place it on a cooling rack. For added appeal, consider offering various toppings. Chocolate drizzles, colorful sprinkles, or even toasted coconut can elevate your offerings and attract more customers. Finally, let's talk about packaging and growing your business. Use sturdy boxes or bags that keep your donuts fresh and presentable. Effective marketing is key. Utilize social media, local farmers markets, and community events to reach your audience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Always seek feedback to improve your product and consider introducing seasonal flavors to keep customers excited. Building a successful donut business takes passion and consistent effort, but it's incredibly rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.